At number 1, we have the KAC K2. This is the best bike rack you can get when comparing it on price to performance, and stands out with its sturdy steel construction designed to securely transport up to 2 bikes. Its robust frame ensures durability and stability, even on bumpy roads. The rack features a user-friendly tilt mechanism, allowing easy access to the vehicle's rear without needing to unload the bikes. The adjustable wheel trays and padded hooks accommodate a wide range of bike sizes and styles, including fat tire and e-bikes, while protecting the frames from scratches. Safety is a key focus with the K2. The integrated locking system for both the Hitch and bikes provides added security during transit. Reflective accents enhance visibility in low-light conditions, contributing to safer travel. The rack's anti-wobble system minimizes movement, ensuring a smooth ride and preventing damage to your vehicle or bikes. What sets this rack apart is its ease of assembly and installation. It is designed for quick setup with clear instructions that make it accessible even for first-time users. The powder-coated finish resists rust and wear, ensuring long-term use in various weather conditions. Overall, the K2 offers a reliable and practical solution for transporting bikes, combining thoughtful design with high